Alright DIYers, there you have it. I'm about to stick these tiles down now. I'll be putting in the waste at the same time. A couple of jobs ago, and I always talk about it, fit your waste at the same time, because a lot of times your tiles can move as you're putting them in, and your floor waste is just slightly tight. If you're trying to put it in afterwards, put it in at the same time, because 9 times out of 10 you'll chip the tile or a tile, and there's nothing worse when you're finishing off and you chip a floor tile. Oh, I haven't been able to do anything about a small piece against the wall. I didn't want to move the waste over so it's out of centre. No, it wouldn't have been right. But it'll come out nice. You just make sure that like a 6x6 tile would have been no sweat, because it would have been a bigger tile. This is a 450. But you can't do much about it sometimes. Okay, well, I'll come back to you when I'm sticking these bad boys down. I'll be putting glue on the back and then just popping them in. Okay, we'll see you soon. Bye.